here, and welcome to Mob Street. Now, today we're back down here at Phoenix Customs, and I want to show you the progress that we've made so far with the Goldwing Trike and the color choices that we're at. So, if you take a look around, we're in the paint booth right now. We've got the rear trunk, well actually there's the whole rear assembly right here, and as you can see, pieces hanging, and the mastermind behind all of it is Chris. So, we talked to Chris last time, and he was getting everything prepped and ready to go. But Chris, let's talk about what we've got going so far. Like, how much more you've got into it, colors, I mean, just what we're looking at right now so far.
So to do all the lines, I had to tape it all down, and since it's yellow, it doesn't cover black very well. So I had to put the silver down first. And so that the silver's underneath all the yellow, and I had to take it all together. Get it going.
So you had to do the silver first?
Yeah.
Huh. I didn't do it. If you look at it, it looks like you laid the yellow down and then just did the silver stripe behind it.
Yeah, if I would have done the yellow over black, it would have taken 8 or 9 coats of yellow.
Seriously?
Yeah.
So did you do one? So like this width right here, is this all silver?
Yeah. Yeah.
So where the yellow is, you went over the top of that with yellow.
So if you fill it right now, since there's no clear on it, you can feel that that's a lot steeper than the very outside line is.
Dude, that's crazy. So is this just, how many coats of silver and then how many coats of yellow did you have to do?
I did 3 coats of silver and 4 coats of yellow.
That looks awesome. That looks way cool. So, okay. So did you have to do anything to the black before? Obviously it's all scuffed and everything, but this is shinier right here than this.
I think it's just because the tape was sticking on it and pulled any little extra dirt out of it.
Gotcha. Okay. Man, that looks cool. That looks way cool. So, the original plan was that we were going to do silver on the outside and then silver on the inside. But Chris, with his foresight, did it on the outside a little bit wider so that we wouldn't have to do anything here in the middle. And just by looking at it, here, let me see the camera here for a sec. We're going to walk you back here. And I don't know if you guys can see it as well, but take a look at everything all together. So you've got your yellow and black silver right here, and then just the way that everything, I stood back here and I looked at all this and went, oh man, that is going to look cool. And just, you've got your front hood right there, you've got the top of your trunk back here, you got the bottom of the trunk, you got your fenders. Here, let's go this way now too. See if we can get it. Oh, you can't really see it as much here. But just the coloring of everything, the way that Chris has done it, you guys, this is going to look so cool. So, yeah. Now you said there's 26 pieces to be painted, right?
Yeah.
So you got to basically do like half, take it all down, and then do the other half.
Yeah.
Okay, so out of all the other pieces, is there anything else that's going to be this year or have this yellow on it, or is this just?
This is all the yellow and silver.
So this is just the yellow. Okay. So all the black is upstairs. Okay.
Yep.
Sweet. So you guys, this is going to look awesome, Chris. How much more paint we got to do today?
I just clear coat everything.
So just clear it all.
Yeah.
And then we're done.
Yeah. And then I'm gonna swap out some more pieces.
And then clear those.
Yep.
Okay. So to this point, are you happy with it?
Yeah, I'm very happy with it. I think it looks great.
They sent me some pictures yesterday of like, hey, this is where we're at. I'm like, I'm gonna have to come down and take a look at that because the pictures, and I hope the video does it justice, because the pictures surely didn't. But now that we're down here and looking at this, man, you guys, this looks so freaking cool. So if you have anything to be done or need anything to be done, make sure to chat with the guys down here at Phoenix Customs, because this is some great work. And they are there's communication throughout the whole process, so there's like no surprises. You know what's going on, you know where you stand, and it's just been good. So, Chris, anything you want to add?
No, I'm excited to get it done.
Sweet, we're excited to get it done too. So, okay, I want to thank Chris personally because he's doing some awesome work. It looks great, and like I said, I hope the video does it justice. But we're gonna come back when there's more done. So, I'm Matt. That's Chris. This is Mob Street, and thanks for watching.